Hi guys, welcome to the first lesson in geometry. In today's lesson what we're going to be learning about is different types of angles. So we'll just jump straight into it and just discuss the different types of angles that we have. So the first angle that we have is what we call an acute angle, and it's anything less than 90 degrees. So this is a 90-degree angle, and we'll learn what the name of that is in a minute. But it's anything less than that. So it's not exactly 90 degrees, it's less than 90 degrees. So we're looking at things like this. Then we have a right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees. So it's like, imagine a floor and a wall, that's a right angle. Then we have an obtuse angle, which is less than 90, but greater than 180. So it's not exactly 90 and it's not exactly 180, but it's in between that. Then we have a straight angle, which is 180 exactly. So a straight line. Then we have what we call a reflex angle, which is greater than 180, but less than 360. So 360 is like, imagine you do a 360 jump. If I was to say do a full 360 jump, you'd be standing back where you started when you did your jump, because that's a full circle. So it's between a straight line and a full circle. So this is 180. So it's anywhere from here onwards. And exactly 360 degrees is called a revolution. So it's when we do a full revolution, a full circle, like the Earth does one revolution around the sun, which means that it's gone all the way back around the sun and is back where it started. That's a revolution. Now there's two types of angles that we use to help us calculate another angle. So the first thing we talk about is a complementary angle. So that's when two or more angles add up to 90 degrees. So we have an angle here, this is a right angle, and we know one of our angles equals 34. So how would we calculate this other angle? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to go 90, take away 34, which gives us 56 degrees. So this here is 56 degrees. Let's do another example. So what is the complementary angle of 79? So I want you to pause this and find the complementary angle of 79. Now remember, complementary means they add up to 90 degrees. So what you should have is 90 take away 79 gives you 11 degrees. So the complementary angle of 79 is 11 degrees. Now we have another one called the supplementary angle, and this is when two or more angles add up to 180 degrees. Supplementary, straight line, that's how I kind of remember it. So we go 180 take away 62 gives us 118. So this angle is 118, and we know that that looks around about right because this is a right angle here. Say if we had a line coming up here, that would be 90 degrees, and we're obviously greater than 90 degrees because we're trying to find this angle here. And so let's do another example. You can do this one. What is the supplementary angle of 168 degrees? So pause it and then come back. What you should have is x equals 180 minus 168, which gives you an angle of 12 degrees. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.